Faceless Instagram pages are by far one of the best ways to generate free traffic and sales now and into the future due to the quality of content you can produce with AI. Soon you'll have AI create and run entire faceless Instagram pages like Repute Forge and Entirely Faceless, which gained millions of followers and generate thousands of dollars per month. All thanks to this new breakthrough AI technology that not only creates unique faceless AI videos with full customization, but for the first time can fully automate the creation and growth of unique faceless Instagram pages just by hitting a few buttons. Tons of beta testers have already created their $500 to $10,000 per month faceless Instagram pages, letting the app scale the winning pages in any niche. Plus, using it to create story videos, quote videos, meme videos, and carousel images that can be used on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Threads. Now, before I go further, I know what's bothering you. If faceless Instagram pages are the #1 way to generate traffic and sales for any business, what's stopping everyone from creating faceless cash cow Instagram pages? Well, for starters, you have to write and edit scripts that resonate with your audience. You have to create animations that grab attention. You need an expensive setup. You have to have a team of video editors and more. This leads many to buy AI tools that help automate some of these tasks. But even with AI tools, you can't really automate the whole process. After all, you have to buy multiple AI tools to create one video. And the worst part, you'll have to post it on your multiple faceless pages by yourself. On top of that, these platforms keep charging you monthly fees and credits which can cost hundreds each month. And still all you get are lackluster results that gain you nothing. But now, that's all solved. For the first time ever, you can let AI create 100% unique faceless Instagram pages with detailed customization and mass automation capability. Since there are lots of tools in the market that can create generic AI videos, but nothing that completely automates the whole process, we've built a mass automation faceless Instagram technology that not only creates faceless pages for you, but scales them. Introducing ViralReelAI, a complete mass automation solution for building and scaling 100% faceless Instagram pages hands-off. ViralReelAI is the first ever AI solution that automates the whole Instagram faceless page creation process and allows you to run multiple faceless accounts in different niches. Get everything you need to create hundreds of viral faceless pages that generate traffic and sales for your business. Here's how it creates your money, making Instagram empire. Step 1. You simply enter your niche details. Could be weight loss, business coaching, real estate, whatever niche you want to dominate. Step 2. Our AI instantly creates viral quote videos, story reels, GIFs, and carousel images based on your input, all designed to catch eyeballs. Step 3. The AI automatically posts content and our follower generation engine delivers your videos to people who are interested in what you do. Like I mentioned earlier, this is as amazing as it could get. ViralReelAI comes with features not available anywhere else under a single dashboard. Manual and auto mode options. Choose complete hands-off automation or take manual control. Customize every detail when you want or let AI handle everything when you're busy. AI story and script writing. Create top-quality scripts that grab your audience's attention from the first second and keep them engaged until the very end. AI avatar videos. Create realistic lip-sync videos with AI avatars that look and sound completely human. No face required, yet viewers connect with your brand. Human-like AI voices. Choose from hundreds of natural-sounding voices in different accents, languages, and energy levels so your content never sounds robotic. AI hashtag generation for better ranking. Automatically generate trending, niche-specific hashtags that boost your content's discoverability and help you rank higher in Instagram searches. Instagram carousel images. Create stunning multi-image carousel posts with seamless transitions, eye-catching graphics, and text overlays that drive engagement and swipe-throughs. Fancy caption generation. Generate compelling conversion-focused captions with emojis, call to actions, and storytelling elements that turn viewers into followers and customers. Viral content templates. Access proven templates for quotes, memes, stories, and carousels that are scientifically designed to go viral and get maximum engagement. Auto scheduling and publishing. Set it and forget it. The AI posts your content at optimal times across Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube automatically. AI follower generation engine. Our secret weapon that amplifies your content to people most likely to follow and buy. batch video creation. Create up to 50 videos at once from a single keyword, giving you weeks of viral content in just minutes. Advanced Analytics Dashboard. Track which videos perform best. Optimize your content strategy and scale what works for maximum ROI. Plus, as a special bonus today, you're getting the commercial license to ViralReelAI so you can sell these videos to clients. There are businesses out there who'd pay $300 to $5,000 for videos that you can create with ViralReelAI. Plus, you can charge a monthly fee for video subscriptions and so much more. But to support the bandwidth for this cloud-based technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Also, once the launch ends, ViralReelAI will be sold for a monthly subscription fee and you won't be able to claim these bonuses that you're getting today. However, if you act now, you'll lock in your access for life for a super low one-time price. The best part? If you use ViralReelAI and don't get any followers, leads, or sales, just let us know and we'll issue a full refund. Yes, you're entitled to a 14-day money-back guarantee if you can't get ViralReelAI to succeed right out of the gate. The only question is, do you want to keep watching other entrepreneurs build Instagram empires while you struggle for customers? Or do you want to join the smart business owners who are using AI to generate leads and sales without ever showing their face? If you're ready to finally build the automated Instagram business you've always wanted, click the button below this video right now. Remember, this low one-time price is only available during the launch period. Then it goes to $67 per month. Don't be the person who watches this video, does nothing, and then kicks themselves when they see others succeeding with the exact system I just showed you. Click the button. Get ViralReelAI with commercial license and start building your empire today.